Kamusta guys?
Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat, and we are
the Drug Queen! We're all about drugstore, local, and affordable products.
Yes.
And speaking of local and affordable and drugstore products,
Girl,
Today,
we're going to feature a skincare product na hindi expensive.
oh my
Pero
gosh.
quality.
Is this also eco-friendly and natural talaga? Ay, ganun
Yeah.
ka-friendly yan?
Yes. Yan. So, if you want to know kung ano yun, and ano yung thoughts namin about it, then please keep on watching.
Ayan. So, if I may say so, if you've seen the previous Human Nature video in our channel, you can see na meron kaming mga goodie or loot bags after the event.
And ito yung pinaka-cute na PR package na nakita ko or na-receive natin so
Yes.
far for me. Kasi ang daming things sa loob, girl. Ang dami.
Ang dami talaga, nagulat kami. So, isa-isahin na natin. First stop, ang ating cue card. Char.
Yes!
Cue card! Para talaga alam natin kung ano ang mga kaganapan sa mga products na ito. Next!
Okay, next. Yung mga hindi muna yung product mismo, no? Ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko yung color
girl.
nitong towel. Yan. So, may pa-towel si Human Nature. Ayan. Para ready ka nang i-try yung kanilang product.
Yes! Next up, my favorite. Girl, this is the Clam Seashells by the Seashore Mirror. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Parang nakakaano, no?
Sobrang parang, wait lang guys ha. Sobrang compact niya, sobrang nipis, and it's Little Mermaid, like, ganon. Sobrang cute. Next!
Next is yung, hindi ko sure why, pero may candle. And, scented.
Yung pala yung lagi kong naaamoy.
Amoy vanilla. Tama ba?
Hindi ko alam masyado. Pero ang ganda kasi pati yung candle talagang well packaged siya.
May ganun, shiki. Yan.
Next, syempre you have there the two products, no? Pero mamaya na. Nahin natin ang totoong seashells by the seashore shells. Totoong shells. Bakala. Pinulot pa nila to. Para
Galing
lang
pang
mailagay dito.
Bohol.
Bohol. Pinaka-importante, bakla.
Ang pinaka-importante, yung tabo.
Yes. Guys, kung gusto niyo yung mga crab na nanghihimay ka, chicken, lahat na, eto na yun. Ito na yung lalagyanan na yan. Actually, ito talaga yung product review natin, yung tabo.
Okay, Human Nature has released a new bucket.
Bakit parang kasalanan nila?
Ayan. Pero, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung buong packaging. Pati kasama na rin to. At least, almost wala masyadong plastic, no?
Yes, wala, as in, wala kaming
Papel
plastic.
ang meron. Papel.
Puro mga kapapelan. So, why not? Let's go into
the real
products. Yes.
product.
Okay, first up is the Marine Caviar Hydro Miracle Face Cleanser.
Ang social pakinggan, Marine Caviar.
Caviar.
Paki-spell.
Car na lang. So, this is their new product and ito yung face cleanser nila. So, isa sa mga videos nung pinanood namin nung nagkaroon ng event was kahit may makeup ka, this is your life saver. Makeup remover in one na rin siya, tas cleanser pa. This is only 275 pesos ses millions. Ganun siya kamura. ML niya agad 100. Amoy natin kung ano yung amoy niya. Siyempre, no, medyo may care tayo sa pang-amoy. It's like, pero hindi ko masabi. Ay! Taray! May pa-beads! May pa-beads! Diba? Wala, para siyang
almost unscented, no?
Yes, almost unscented siya. And it says, dun sa mismong labas pa lang ng packaging is, no harmful chemicals. Ayan. And of course, ang main ingredient niya is the LATO. Which came from
the tropical island of Bohol.
Yes. So, syempre, kung human nature is a pro-Philippines, pro-poor, pro-environment, kung ano yung mga nakukuha natin from our kalikasan. Right? So, ito na yun. So, hindi lang basta pangkain, pwede rin siya sa ating face.
So, excited ka na bang i-try
Yes.
ang very first product, which is yung facial cleanser?
Yes. Alright. Syempre, minsan talaga pag haggard ka, kailangan sobrang hindi mo kailangan i-push yung mismong product. Ano na agad siya. Lumalabas na agad siya. Kahit ganunin mo lang actually.
Ganun.
Ayun,
Ayan,
no?
tumutulo na siya. Bam.
Bam. Mag-isa. Ganyan. Apply natin sa ating face. Ay! Girl, may pa-beads talaga siya.
Hindi siya ganun ka-rough.
Mm-mm.
Very calming. Parang massage-like.
Ano ba ang how to use niya? Massage, a button size amount onto your face and rinse thoroughly. Oh. Use morning and night. Best followed with the moisturizer daw. Yun daw yun. Oh, ano daw ang claims nito, girl? Ang claims niya is that it helps brighten skin through gentle. Kaya naman pala, maliliit lang yung beads. Kasi gentle exfoliation.
And may nararamdaman akong parang cooling effect. Meron ka bang nararamdaman? Parang minty, ganon. Ayan. Ayan.
We're just going to wash our face and then we'll be right back.
Ang presko ng feeling after.
At saka nag-brighten agad yung face. Nag-brighten yung face ko actually. Until now, it's still cool yung aking na-feel. And it's not drying after.
Parang natanggal yung dead skin cells. No? So, nakasulat pala here, yung beads or yung exfoliating beads ay galing sa fine bamboo. Nga pala, yung skin type namin is
Oily combination.
para sa'yo, pasado ka ba talaga dito?
Yes, ako for me, it's a go.
And for the price of 275.
It's a yes.
Okay, so after mag-facial wash, usually you use a toner. Diba? So, nag-toner na kami off-cam. Yan. So, next is, syempre, moisturizer. And syempre, gagamitin natin is yung kanilang Marine Caviar Hydro Miracle Moisturizer. Hydro Miracle Moisturizer. Ayan! No harmful chemicals. Ang isang ganito is 50 ml for the price of 495 pesos. So, less than 500 pa rin siya. Alam mo, sobrang mahal minsan yung mga moisturizer. Lalo na yung mga ganito na organic. Ayan, ang claims natin ay intensively hydrates all day long. Okay. It helps promote a plump, dewy complexion and helps retain skin elasticity. Napaka-scientific. Kaya gamitin na natin siya. Ang cute ng packaging though. Maliit siya, ganyan. And then, de-pump siya ng ganyan. Very, very nice. Okay, so, try na natin. Ayan, so, let's moisturize.
Dami agad.
Isang pump lang yan.
Kamusta yung smell?
Unscented pa rin siya sa aking nose. Ewan ko lang kung sa iba na mas sensitive.
Alam mo, para sa mga oily combination, it's so hard minsan na mag-moisturize lagi. Lalo na if you're going to start the day. Kasi, I believe na mas nag-create siya ng oiliness kapag sa makeup mo. Ikaw ba, what's your in before makeup moisturizer?
I think there's a moisturizer for specific events, reasons, and types. Ayan. So, for oily skin, dun ka nga actually dapat sa medyo gelish type siya. And this one, para siyang yung consistency niya is parang lotion. Diba, no? Ayan. So, it glides smoothly sa skin. Ganyan. Siguro, if you're going to have a day na very full-packed yung schedule mo, ganyan, sabi nga ni Miss Anna, na pick a lighter moisturizer. And this one is quite light. Kontian mo lang yung gamitin mo. And I think, talagang para siyang lotion, and I feel like kaya ko siyang gamitin all over my, like, sa hands, sa dito, and ayun. So,
Pwede lang ba siya for the face? Hindi, sabi hydro.
yes. Any place siguro na you need moisturizing, yun, so mga dry patches mo, dry skin ka, ganyan, pwede maglagay doon.
Pwede na siyang maging base ng here, lalabas ako. Todo na, okay na to. Minus the pimples. Pero okay na talaga siya. Ako parang, yun parang dewy.
Plump and dewy effect niya daw. Ayan. So, kung gusto mo mas dewy effect ka nung day na yun, okay tong moisturizer na to. So, we've already tried yung line ni Human Nature na Marine Caviar. What can you say?
Both of the products, I think, magiging committed ako sa kanya.
Yung tipong bibilhin mo ulit,
Yes.
naubos.
Oo.
Kasi sulit ba?
Sulit.
And I feel like pwede siya for all skin types.
Tsaka hindi mo pa pasusuportan. This is a local brand. Right? As in talagang sa Laguna, manufacturing sila, pinagawa hindi sa Korea or China. But doon talaga, may pasarili sila.
Made in the Philippines talaga.
Proudly made talaga sa ating bansa. And it's something that you can be proud because it's already their 11th year. Right?
Talagang subok na ang Human Nature.
And yung kanilang advocacy as to why they really started the company was not just in vain, but also for the Filipinos. So they also have pro-poor advocacy, and it's something na parang matutuwa ka kasi they're doing this to also give back to Filipinos.
Yes, and bring them out of poverty nga.
Yeah. So, ang ganda na ng products, ang ganda ng line. Hindi sila magtatagal ng 11 years if parang wala lang yan.
And that is all for today.
Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much Human Nature for inviting us.
And for also trusting us to try your newest products.
So, hopefully, we could also update you if our skin, kasi ang slogan nila is see your skin glow. So, we'll check if talagang mag-glow.
Kung gusto nyo maging updated doon, please follow us on our social media accounts. Andyan lang yan. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to watch our previous videos. It's all right here. Even the Human Nature event is something somewhere here. Thank you guys so much for watching.
See you guys next week. Bye!